Hello.
A lot of people say lower your car. I say opposite. You need to raise it. Well, long time no see, guys. I've just been traveling the country again, doing my normal thing. But then again, welcome to another episode of Found Out. It's rainy, and we have a lot of catching up to do. A lot has happened. A lot of people have come and gone, come and gone, and come again. Mm-hmm. That sounds really gross.
It does.
Anyways, we're back in the RB manifold game. It's not a game that I thought I'd ever be back in, but here we are. So I've been doing that lately. Other than that, I've been traveling the country for work, but for Air Force work. So, you know.
It's pretty.
Ooh.
It's Ooh. Purple.
Oh, Chappie's built his own manifold. This is his 2J. Pretty bitchin'. The BMW has been torn apart, put back together, torn apart, put back together, and torn apart again. It's still not great. The boost solenoid's bad on it. A little bit of piston ring blow-by.
Yikes.
Or valve seal blow-by. It's got blow-by.
It's not a good situation.
Of some kind. The JZX still needs parts. We have a new event called High Desert Matsuri. You guys are all more than welcome to come. Matsuri. Days, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. Saturday is invite only for pros, YouTubers, and other people, yes. MVPs. You know, very important people.
Mm-hmm. Very important people.
Very important people. VIPs.
VIP.
Friday and Sunday is going to be open drift. We are going to be building 3 death carts.
Not 1, not 2, but 3.
3. Don't crash them.
Please don't.
Then you have to pay for them.
Yes.
It's bad.
Also, if you want to crash.
I'm going to be finishing up this and then hopefully test fitting it on the car out there, which Jamie was kind enough to pull off his Generation 1 cinder track fab manifold. Right here in the crotch. It's always the hardest to weld because it's in the crotch.
Crotch.
Look at this. Most people don't even know how you get to this stuff, and you just have to like extend your tungsten out and weld at crazy angles and stuff. This is why I get paid the big bucks. We're almost out of gas, so we're not going to be able to finish this thing today. But we're going to take it off the jig and go test fit it on Jamie's car just to give us a little satisfaction. So I went ahead and tacked up the runners, and now I'm going to get this thing off. This is the only one that really needs to be ported. The rest of them look really good. This one needs a little porting. So when I go to weld these insides of these, the phalanges, it'll look good. I'm stoked.
That thing looks pretty sick.
It looks pretty fucking wicked, dude. Hyped.
Sick.
This is the satisfaction. This is all the hard work. You get to go put it on a car and test it out.
See this? Oh, look at that. Damn.
You know what's crazy? Is I built that without reference from my brain. This is so much better. That Clarence. God, that thing looks savage.
Really does.
Savage. Still got room for the downpipe too. Look at all that room. And I'm good at this.
You got room for activity.
I don't mean to toot my own ass, but I'm tooting her.
Toot, bitch.
See, I hate these things. I fucking hate them until I see them installed. And then I'm like, ooh, I made that.
That's mine.
But right up until then, I'm like, fuck you. Fucking thing. All right. Well, it's a couple days from the last clip, but oh well. Got to do argon bottle. That's what we left off for the last time. I am going to finish up welding this manifold today, and Chappie is going to finish up welding up his hella short runner, extra dope boy magic.
Spoolboy fresh.
Spoolboy fresh. He's got his runners all picked out and kind of welded up, and then he's going to be able to mock up his turb ski today. Terpsky. I gotta get to hang out with this guy. It's gonna be the last time he's gonna be here for a little bit. He's heading out, but he'll be back eventually. And when he does, we will reunite. So today we're gonna finish this stuff up. Like I said, let's get to work.
Catch on.
It's an aspen.
You can tell it's an aspen by the way that it is.
True that.
It's on there.
No, just give it a good shake.
I'm confused as to why.
Give it no shake the baby. Shake her. Give her a
SIDS.
That's what it's called. Getting your emails.
Are you sure?
Yeah, I'm sure I'm not getting emails.
I got all your emails today. Me and Jade got a joint calendar account, and now I get all her emails.
I don't know why you're getting my emails.
Super gay.
Yeah, it's good though, because I know when she's working, because I'm retarded.
All right. You can't keep track of it properly.
It's coming off.
Give her a good
Even though I
shake
gave
there,
you
bud.
a whiteboard calendar.
Whiteboards mean nothing to me. I'm in the military, okay? I avoid them.
You're an instructor. You have them.
I don't use them.
That doesn't mean anything.
Ooh, how you got it?
I did the thing.
All right, give me the satisfying slide on moment.
Doesn't go on.
Don't say that.
All right, here it goes. Oh my god.
Don't do that.
I'm not. It's doing it.
No, you
itself.
do it. You fix it.
How do I fix it?
You just give her the ghost there, bud.
Oh no.
Need a hammer?
Oh Lord.
Oh, that's not good. Oh yeah.
Well, that'll slide on like that. This'll slide on.
So you've gotten all my spam mails too?
No, just your RSVPs.
Hold on. Maybe get a gentle tap. I don't know which one's out of alignment. I don't know. Hold on. Hold the fucking phone.
Here.
I thought you were talking about when you had to log into my iPad.
It's oh shit.
Shit!
Oh shit.
I thought you were
What did we
talking
I
about.
can see it.
What did we do wrong?
I don't know.
How can you see it?
Do you not see the? It's fucking bent.
No, you
Should not be bent.
I don't know what else to tell you because
It can't be bent. Is that bent? God, if that's bent and this is bent, I'm gonna be R squared bent.
oh Lord.
Yeah. For all your homies in the streets, that's a lot.
Do we have a
bent.
quote unquote?
We gave this bitch a little and a little huh, and it went right on. So, and then he was worried about this nut because it didn't perfectly thread. But then guess what?
He
it did?
didn't worry about the other.
I didn't worry about any of them.
Only one was worthy of.
Let's really hope that Chappie took time to fit this turbo and that it fits.
That'd be dope.
Because I had nothing to do with the fitting of it.
That's true.
You should packing heat, packing a gun. What? No, it did not.
Oh, I did.
No, it did
About
not.
right there. However, comma, I prepared for this.
Oh.
I fixed this earlier off camera.
Off camera fixing. You should probably get the magnet. Not. Damn. You know, sometimes you gotta blup blup blup. Yeah, you gotta take the transformer rectifier and you gotta square that by the square root of pi. You know, and then there she is, all lovely mounted. Chappie designed this. Do not take me as the one who designed this. I welded it, some of it, not all of it.
Once it fails, then he designed it.
Yeah, once it's bad, it was on me.
It had nothing to do with this.
But as you see, the S475, 60 S467 is properly mounted. Got these prioritized tile 44 gates. Bam!
Done.
Just like Cheech, just like Chong. And that is going to be the finish of this video. If you guys want to see this bad bitch, big old spoolie girl ass motherfucker, make sure to like, comment, subscribe, and we'll see you guys again real soon. Peace.
Next time I see you, I'll make sure you see me.